Yeah.
Meanwhile.
So again, are we talking about the product innovation and all that? So same FCVs. I like one of the best work in this year. Project Understood.
Playing your jogging playlist. It will take you 7 minutes to get there by public transportation. Here's the definition. Here's a summary from Baseball Hall of Fame.
My name is Matthew McNeil. I live in Toastbrook, Ontario. I went to Peterborough at Fleming College.
Hey Google, set thermostat to 78 degrees.
My apologies, I don't understand.
My daughter, she has a smaller mouth, she has a longer tongue. Picture talking with a marshmallow in your mouth.
Technologies that are activated by voice commands are becoming a way of life.
Scheduling and reminders, practicing phrases, speaking to friends.
For people where that doesn't work, that must feel very sort of disempowering, or like they're being sort of left behind.
I see him being able to not need to rely on others as much.
Hey Google, what is the weather in California?
We're all very excited to partner with the Canadian Down Syndrome Society. The goal is to make speech recognition work better for people who have different types of speech.
I'm teaching Google.
I am teaching Google.
I'm teaching Google.
Thank you for coming to Google.
Thank you.
Out of the box, Google Speech Recognizer would not recognize every third word for a person with Down syndrome, and that makes the technology not very usable.
What we really need is for people with Down syndrome to volunteer, go on the website and record phrases and donate their voice.
I owe you a yo-yo today. Strawberry jam is sweet.
The more voices we have, the better the technology will get.
Hey Google, turn off the lights.
This is basically the fundamental frequency, and we kind of look at how these frequencies move, and that's corresponds to the words that you're saying.
When I started doing the project, first thing came to my mind is that it's really helping a lot of people be more independent.
I think voice technology is so important to give a voice to the voiceless. I think that's fantastic that we live in a world where that is even possible.
Hey Google, thank you.
You're welcome.
I like this project innovation because it's more technical, but it solve so many problems actually. The story is कि जिसने भी ये idea crack किया है, उसका family member is a Down syndrome, and this guy want to like play a song, and song is not playing because they are not proper word catch.
Right.
Okay, so he trying and he thought कि यार ये words catch क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, because so many people is like this, and अगर उन लोगों को कुछ commands देने हैं तो और is a technology ना, अगर technology अगर use नहीं हो रहा है तो उसका use क्या है?
Use क्या? See how I look at it, ना? There's one more question also here, तो question भी थोड़ा सा answer हो सकता है. Definitely Mukesh will add to it. Do a creative person need to know the technology, how things work, or how effectively it works? Okay, so what I would suggest is, see, definitely you don't have to be a software engineer, or you don't have to understand coding in and out everything. So that is a different thing. But see how I look at it, and again, I whatever I say is pointed towards the juniors, the people who are about to get into the industry, the people who are starters or freshers or whatever students. So see, look at it this way. If we again go back 30-40 years in time, so when newspapers started, so what was the artist's job? Okay, as an artist, as a visualizer, as a designer, as a creative person, what was our job? To make those newspapers look good. So designer did something to make the news. Otherwise, newspaper is a newspaper. They will just print some letters. They will just print something to read. But as a designer, your responsibility is to make the newspaper look good. Then when hoardings came up throughout the cities, so it was the designer community's responsibility to make the hoardings look good. फिर टीवी चैनल्स आ गए, तो अपना काम क्या है? ये टीवी चैनल्स अच्छे दिखने चाहिए, टीवी शोज अच्छे दिखने चाहिए, टीवी की जो एड्स है वो अच्छे दिखने चाहिए. See, artist का तो main contribution is aesthetics. Okay, the design, the solution part of it. Okay, not every time technically, but how can it be? Secondly, अभी internet आ गया है, अभी ना apps आ गए, you are using all these phones, iPhones, tabs, everything. And just imagine how is this going to get in the next 5 years? और 2 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल में कैसे बढ़ते जाने वाला है? So the design industry, the creative people, the visualizers, designers, everyone sitting here has to think in those lines now. ये कैसे होगा? How we can make this technology better from an artist point of view. Now, have you heard of these things called UI UX design? तो अभी सुना होगा. तो अभी this is something called usability. There is something called responsive design. So you have to understand some things. Okay, खाली ऐसे रह के नहीं चलेगा. For all this, I am telling this to all the students here. कि हम लोग खाली एक प्रिंट ऐड कर रहे हैं या एक ब्रोशर डिजाइन कर रहे हैं या एक ना आई एम वेरी गुड विद डूइंग सम लोगो और डूइंग सम ना लैंडस्केप डिजाइन. दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. यू हैव टू ना वो तो करना है. योर फंडामेंटल्स आर नेसेसरी. We are learning all the design principles, colors, wheel theory, typography, fonts, everything. But apart from that, you have to think of where the world is heading and how the designer can be a part of it. How the designing community can contribute to these great things. It is not difficult. It is not rocket science. And then there are people like Google. There are people there are technical teams. There are companies. There are brands who can help for such ideas. Okay, if you think of some great idea, bring it in your portfolio. I'm telling you again and again. Don't think कि ये कैसे होगा, technically कैसे होगा. If you have an idea, at least try to do whatever best you can. Make a mock-up video of it. Make anything. Then it will be possible definitely. Okay, ऐसे नहीं कि वो कैसे possible होगा, आज होगा कि नहीं. But try to put the idea in your portfolio. Don't kill the idea before it is born. Don't do that. Okay. Chalo Mukesh, can you add to this?
Yeah, exactly. Like you are right, sir. Because हम लोग को टेक्निकल लाइक हम लोग आई डोंट नो कि बहुत सारा टेक्निकल का जरूरत नहीं है. आवर मेन रोल इज थिंक आउट ऑफ बॉक्स. बिकॉज हम लोग वो पॉइंट ऑफ से अगर सोचेंगे ना, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ हम लोग ड्रॉप करते हैं बिकॉज आउट ऑफ बॉक्स सोचा बट इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. वो नॉट पॉसिबल के आगे वो जाता नहीं है आइडिया.
Amol Sutar has put a question for no, you, not for you, maybe I think it's a big thing for all of us. Ki what makes you get up and work on the same idea every day for one complete year? Okay, when you said कि एक idea ये एक project जब एक साल चलता है, because this is what normally happens with the students. अगर हम लोग किसी project पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो एक दिन, 2 दिन, 4 दिन, 8 दिन में we get bored of it. यार बहुत हो गया, यही कर रहा है. Okay, it is not easy to work on it for more than a month. Amol has posted a question here ki what makes you get up every day and work on the same idea with the same passion for one continuous year until it is done. So I think if this can be helpful.
Answer. I love my idea. Of course, I don't want to surrender because if you like your idea, you have to chase it. Right. Simple thing. If मीन्स किधर तो नहीं हुआ तो क्यों नहीं हुआ वो तो सोचना पड़ेगा ना. देन आगे ना कि हम और सेकंड थिंग आई डोंट लाइक कि मैंने किया और लाइक मैंने नहीं किया और दूसरे ने किया और मैं बोलेगा अरे ये तो मैंने सोचा था. तो सोचा तो फिर किया क्यों नहीं. हु स्टॉप यू बिकॉज यू सरेंडर ना वो आइडिया पे. ऑलवेज गिव एक्सक्यूज इज नॉट एक्सक्यूज ना. कि तू एक्सक्यूज देगा और तू बोलेगा कि उसने किया मेरे पास सेम आइडिया था. तो एटलीस्ट उसको चेस तो करो. आई लाइक कि एवरी डे उठ के अगर मैं वही काम कर रहा है मेरे को वो एक्चुअली कुछ तो मैं 10 बार करेगा ना तो एक तो सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा उसमें. तो 10 बार मेरे को करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को मैं इतना ब्रिलियंट नहीं है कि मेरे को एक टाइम में बैठा और मेरे को फटाक से उसका सॉल्यूशन मिला. सॉल्यूशन इतना इजी आता तो बहुत सारा आइडियाज क्रैक होता था. सॉल्यूशन के लिए तुझे टाइम देना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. तो वो टाइम चाहिए उसके लिए. मैं उसके लिए वो मे बी लकीली एक दिन में आएगा, आधे घंटे में आएगा, 10 मिनट में आएगा, 1 ईयर में आएगा, 2 इयर्स में आएगा. बट कभी तो आएगा. छोड़ेंगे नहीं तो आएगा, जरूर आएगा. तो आना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली, नहीं तो फिर कैसे होगा.
गुड. I'll just add one more thing to this. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. Like the couples are made in heaven. तो वैसे ही एक अच्छी क्रिएटिव टीम और एक अच्छा क्लाइंट, उसकी जोड़ी बनना भी बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, one thing will not work if you have a great creative team, but if you don't have a client who listens or who is interested also, it will not work. If you just have a client who is coming back to you for some ideas with some solutions or for some solutions, and if your team is not passionate enough, so it will not work either. Okay, तो वो दोनों तरफ से होना बहुत जरूरी है, I think.
Exactly.
So good. I think we can go ahead. We have the questions coming. मैं बीच-बीच में कुछ questions पूछूंगा. Meanwhile, you can keep your presentation on, Mukesh.
Okay, so abhi tak product innovations is like more technical, more techno and all that. But some product innovation are very simple. Like simple is like for example, I show you one more, my favorite.
I was shocked to learn that pads, tampons, and other menstrual products are taxed as luxury goods.
I suspect it's because men were making the law.
Right, Mr. President. Men made the tax laws.